Hey guys, what is up? This is Card Dealer 55 back here with another video, and I got 3 likes on my new amazing card trick video with the 4 aces. So I'm going to be showing the tutorial because I told you guys 3 likes, and that's what we got. So first off, you're going to need the 4 aces out of the deck. So if we just pull those out here, 3 of them, 4. Okay. So now what you want to do, doesn't matter which ace, but if you want to keep the ace of spades for last, then I'd keep it for a little bit. But so put 1 ace on top, it does not matter. I just put the ace of hearts, then ace of clubs, usually black, I'd put on the bottom. Now you're going to lift up about a third of the deck, no less, no more, so about a third. And you're going to put, if you want the ace of spades to be last, you put the ace of whatever other ace you put it on the bottom. Then the ace of spades, you're going to put it on the top deck. Whoopsie. Put it on the top deck. It's like you're like this. So ace of spades, ace of diamonds, right? Ace of clubs, and ace of hearts. Okay, so now you're going to hold a break. Okay? So now from here you can say we're gonna have we're gonna riffle down. I'm gonna have you say stop wherever. So you do that, stop right there. Okay. Now your ace of spades out of the bottom. You're just gonna put it down right there in front of you. Okay. Now it doesn't honestly matter. They can say stop wherever for this one. Then you put the third one down. Now, so we got the 3 decks here. Now this deck, what you're gonna do? You're gonna take the top card off. You're gonna take them one by one, because you want to try and get that top card and bottom card to change. So now, we actually down here got the 2 aces that they've changed spots. Second one, you want to do the same exact thing because the bottom card is not an ace. Top card is an ace. So what you want to do, pull the top card off, then do a normal overhand shuffle. Now you have the ace on the bottom. Okay? Now third ace, your ace is already on the bottom. Now you're just gonna pull off the top card and the bottom card together, so it looks like one card. So in normal it'd be like that, but the ace is still on the bottom. So here's how you do it. You're gonna hold it like that, and you're just gonna pull out a deck out of the middle, like so, and then show over. So it goes like that. Okay. So now what we want to do here, we want to deal down cards, and they say stop whenever. Now, if you're going to show them like what you're going to do, always pick them up in the same order, also won't work. So make sure to pick them up same order, one by one, so it doesn't like do anything to it. Okay, so 1, 2, whenever they say stop right there. Flip the card over, place the deck right there. Okay. You can square up the deck just a little. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Okay, now we're going to do the second one. Stop. Right there. Honestly, it does not matter. Okay, so we got that deck. Okay, now last deck. Stop. There. Okay, now we're just going to pick up the decks. Like that. Like that. And like that. So now you haven't changed any placement of the card. You're going to square up the cards like so. And you're going to go through the cards to where you find your cards. And you're going to take the top card. So the card on top of it, that will be their selected card. So always take the card on top of it. Okay, so now you snap over it, whatever you want to do. Be like, you can have them flip it over. So there's 1, not 2, but 3 aces. But that 4th ace, which if you kept the spades, I like to talk about him. He's a little stinkwad, and he's different. So actually, what you're gonna do? So you're gonna put the 2 jokers, which I like to use, on top and on the bottom. You're gonna pull that the bottom joker out just a little bit. So you can grip the bottom ace and the joker and the top ace. You're just going to hold like that. And what's going to happen is actually, Yeah, that's right. So you're going to have them like this, right? Okay, and actually what's going to happen when you go in fast motion, this is what's really happening, is you're pulling out 3 cards, okay? Pulling the 2 bottom cards and the top card. But in fast motion, it looks something like this, where you throw the deck into your hand. Now, it's going to take a little practice. You're probably the first couple times you'll be like, oh man, crap. But then, once you start getting the hang of it, it'll take like 15 minutes at most. I mean, it took me not that long. So, I'm just going to throw it in. The hardest part will be catching it. So, once you get really good, you can just go like that and just go. Oh, that was a terrible catch, but whatever. So anyway, you end up with 3 cards here. You say, if I tell you that last ace, that last card was ace. You just flip it over and do whatever you need. Back. Be like, man, I love cards. Be like Piff the Magic Dragon if you haven't seen him on America's Got Talent. Yeah. Whatever. So we got that. Yep, that's tutorial. Card dealer 55. Peace out.